Good morning, students. Today we will learn how to do addition and subtraction of unlike fractions. Okay, so you know that what is the girl name? Girl name is Ramya. Okay, and so she is Ramya and she is her mother. Okay, so Ramya says a mango cake requires 2 upon 5 cups of milk. Okay, this much cup of milk is required to make a mango cake, while fruit cake requires 5 upon 6 cup of mangoes. Okay, so they are making two cake. One is mango cake and second is fruit cake. So that much amount of milk is required. So how much milk is required to make the two cakes? So she is thinking how much milk is required total to make these two cakes. So then Ramya's mother says to find the total quantity of milk required, we need to add 2 upon 5 and 5 upon 6. Okay, so basically Ramya wants to know the total amount of milk. So we know that to know the total amount we had to add these numbers. Okay, and this question is in your book in page number 108. So first step is, you can see that here 5 and 6 both are different denominators. Okay, denominator number which is below are different. So first is we need to find their LCM. Okay, means which minimum lowest number comes in both their table first. So let's derive LCM. So 5 into 1 is equal to 5, 5 into 2 is equal to 10, 5 into 3 is equal to 15, 5 into 4 is equal to 20, and 5 into 5 is equal to 25, 5 into 6 is equal to 30. So let's make 6 table. 6 into 1 is equal to 6, like that 12, 6 into 3 18, 6 into 4 24, 6 into 5 30. Now you can see that in both the table, both the 5 and 6 table, 30 is that number which comes first. So our LCM is what? Lowest common multiple. Okay, that are called multiple. This is multiple of 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. They are all multiple of 5. Similarly 6, 12, 18, 24, 30 both are multiple of 6. Okay, so we have to find the lowest common multiple, means that number which comes first in their table. So our answer is 30. So LCM of these two number is 30. You can also solve this, you can also derive LCM like that. First you start from 2. Here you see, is there any number divisible by 2 here? Yes, here 6 is divisible by 2. So and 5 is not divisible by 2, so you just write 5 here, and 2 3 times is 6, to write here 3. Now see here, is any number divisible by 2 here? 5 or 3? No, 5 and 3 are not divisible by 2. So you go to next number 3. Is any number divisible by 3 here? Yes, so divide it one time. Okay, because 5 is not divisible by 3, so you just write 5 and here write 1. Next 4. Is any number divisible by 4 here? 5 and 1? No, 5 and 1 is not divisible by 4, so you move next number, that is 5. Here 5 1 times 5, so here write 1, and 1 we have already. So after that you need to multiply these numbers. Okay, you need to multiply these numbers. So 2 into 3 into 5 will give 6 into 5. 6 into 5 is 30. So our answer is 30. You can find LCM by either of these two method. Okay, either by this green method or this blue method here, that is written in blue. Okay, then next go to next step, that is step number 2. So here we have two fractions, 2 upon 5 and 5 upon 6. First you need to make their denominator same. So multiply 5 by 6, it will give 12 upon 30, and similarly multiply here 5 upon 6 in denominator by 5, which will give you 25 upon 30. Okay, so here you can see that both the denominators are same. Here is also in 12 upon 30 denominator is 30, and here 25 upon 30 denominator is 30. So next step is we have to add these two numbers. So 12 upon 30 plus 25 upon 30, which will give us 37 upon 30. Now students, that is improper fraction. Improper fraction means numerator is greater than denominator. So next you have to make it proper fraction. Okay, so here in 37 upon 30 we have 30 parts plus 7 parts. So student, 30 part is 1 part, 30 part is 1 part, and you write 7 upon 30 parts. So this will be our answer. 7 upon 30 cups is our answer. So total cup of milk required is 1 cup. 1 cup full means 30 parts and plus 7 parts. So 30 part is 1 part. So we have written here 1 part and plus 7 parts. So 1 total cup. 1 total cup means 30 parts. Okay, and then 7 parts. So our answer will be 1 plus 7 upon 30 cups of milk is required to make this two cakes. Yes. Then let's go to next. Now here in this in the next page number 109. Okay, what we have to do is, question says you can also find how much more milk is required to make a mango cake than fruit cake. Here students, we need to subtract. Here it is saying how much more milk is required to make mango cake than a fruit cake. Okay, so you know that when question like how much more, how much greater, okay, what is the difference, in these cases we need to subtract. Basically we have to find the more number. Okay, to find the more number we need to subtract. So first step for subtracting is we need to find their LCM, because students here you can see that 5 and 6, okay, both are their denominator 5 and 6 are different, and so we cannot subtract them until we make them equal. We have to make denominators equal. So first we need to find the LCM. So let's do that. We have already found LCM of 5 and 6 in previous page. So LCM of 5 and 6 is 30. Now let's move to step number 2. Okay, in step number 2 we have to make the denominator same. Here you can see that denominator is 5 and here denominator is 6. So we need to make this denominator same. So and which number we need to make? We need to make 30 here. Okay, so to make this 530 we need to multiply by 6. Okay, so here when we will multiply by 6 it will become 30. So we will also need to multiply to numerator by 6. So this will give us 12 upon 30. Similarly here, to make the 30 you will multiply by 5. It will give us 25 upon 30. Now step number 3. in step number 3 we had to subtract. So what we'll do, we'll subtract a smaller number from this greater number. Okay students, greater number is 25 upon 30 and smaller number is 12 upon 30. When you subtract, your answer will become 13 upon 30 cups. Okay, so this is our answer. This much cups of more mango cakes are required. Okay, this much amount of more mango cup is required than this fruit cake. Okay, sorry, this much more amount of cup of milk is required to make this mango cake than fruit cake. Okay, so basically we need how much more milk is required to make a mango cake than fruit cake. Okay, so that is our answer. This much more cup of milk is required. So okay, let's move to next page. So next page here, students, you have to solve this question. This question says the mango cake recipe requires 2 cups of mango puree. Okay, what is puree? Puree is paste. Okay, the mango cake recipe requires 2 cup of mango puree for cake batter and 3 upon 5 cup of mango puree. Okay, so mango 2 cups of mango puree for cake batter and 3 upon 5 cups of mango puree to make the cream. Okay, now students, you have to find how many cup of mango puree are required. So here 2 cup of mango puree is required, and here 3 upon 5 cup of mango puree is required. What we need to do is we need to add 2 and 3 upon 5. Okay, 2 basically means 2 upon 1 and here 3 upon 5. You just need to add these two fractions, means 2 upon 1 and 3 upon 5. So try to solve this question. If you are able to solve this question, comment your answer in comment box in YouTube. And if you are not able to solve this question, you can find answer of this question in your book in page number 110. Okay, you can find this question's answer in 110. You just have to add these two numbers. Okay, you have to add 2 upon 1 and 3 upon 5. When you will add these two numbers, you will get the answer. Here you can see that here denominator is 1 and here denominator is 5. First what you will do, you will find LCM of 5 and 1. Okay, you need to find LCM of 5 and 1, which number comes lowest in both the tables. Okay, which number comes in 1's table also and 5 tables also, and then you need to make denominator same. After making the denominator same, you will add the numbers. Okay students, see you in next class.